Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to make a symmetrical snowflake in Procreate. Now the symmetry tool normally only has 4 or 8 lines of symmetry in Procreate, so we need to do a little bit of extra work to get the 6-pointed snowflake. So we're going to start by going up to our settings up here, and we're going to turn on the drawing guide and tap on edit drawing guide. We want to use symmetry and use the quadrant symmetry option, and then we're going to tap done. And then your layer up here should have drawing assist on. If not, you can make sure it's enabled there. You can use any brush that you like for this. I'm using the dry ink brush that comes with Procreate. And yeah, we're just going to start drawing the first branch of our snowflake, top to bottom. So I'm just going to draw a few of these lines and then put maybe some dots up here. And then when you finish drawing that, we are going to duplicate that layer, tap to transform, and then this little green handle, we're going to tap that and type 60 degrees to rotate it. And then we're going to duplicate the bottom layer again, tap that green dot again, and this time rotate 120 degrees. And then we can pinch those 3 layers together. Then we hit transform again, tap the green dot, and this time we're going to rotate by 30 degrees. And then we can add a new layer, turn drawing assist on, and then we can draw a smaller branch in between those 2 big ones. And then same as before, we're going to duplicate, transform, and rotate by 60 degrees. Then duplicate that bottom layer again, transform and rotate by 120 degrees. And then you can pinch all of those snowflake layers together. And that is your snowflake made. I'm Becca Flaherty, a surface pattern designer and Skillshare top teacher from the UK. If you'd like to see more of my work, you can find me at rebeccaflaherty.com, and if you want to take a look at my Skillshare classes on illustration and surface pattern design, you can use the link below to bag a 30-day free trial, which will give you full access to all my classes, plus all the other great classes that Skillshare has to offer. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing so that I know you want me to keep making them. And if you have any questions, then drop them in the comments. Stay creative, and I will see you next time.